my channel. If you're new here, hello. So today's video is going to be a quick DIY hack for all of your jeans that don't fit you in the waist. So personally for me, I love the loose denim look, but I feel like for sizing wise, I have bigger hips and a smaller waist. So typically for the size that does end up working for my legs, it doesn't work for my waist. So like these jeans, they are a US 4 and they're super cute now because I did do the DIY hack on them. So they have a super stretchy elastic waist in the back. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just please keep on watching. So I brought all of the items that you'll need for this DIY. It's pretty quick, most of the things you have lying around the house, but I had to go out and pick up some things. So the two things that I had to go pick up were some elastic. This is the elastic that I picked out. I got it from Michael's. This was the only color that was left, I think because everyone is doing this on their jeans. But yeah, this one works for me. It fits in all of the denim that I've done this DIY on. It's crazy to think how many items that you actually do prefer to cinch you in the waist. Like, it's amazing. And then next, I wanted to go out and pick up a thread that matches all of the denim as closely as possible. I do know that they make a denim thread. I wasn't able to find it at Michael's because it was sold out, but I got this color and it's a really nice muted blue color which matches denim pretty closely, and it doesn't bother me and I don't see it on my pants. So this was really awesome. And the last three things that you probably have laying around in your house is a safety pin that you will need. You will need a pair of scissors, and you will also need a needle. So yeah, that's all the items that you need for this DIY hack. I'm going to change the angle so I can show you guys what I'm actually doing to the denim now. Okay, so here are the jeans that I just tried on and showed you guys. As you guys can see, they fit really loose at the top. I do like that the legs are loose. It's just that I want the top waist part to hug my waist and everything like that. In the back, where the two pant holes on the sides of your jeans are, I chose to make the cuts here because you can hide the sewing marks behind it. Again, this should be really easy. You don't need a sewing machine or anything. You just need to know how to do some basic sewing. So yeah, I'm just going to make a cut just on the inside of the denim, but not through and through. So just cut here, and then I'm going to slip the elastic inside and then weave it all the way through. Sometimes if you have a label, they will sew it through and through, so you will have to take off the label and then sew it back on. It's not too much work. I can't show you on these pants because the label is not through and through. You don't see any seams on the back, so yep, just a warning for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut into the jeans. I'm just going to go ahead and make a really rough cut. It doesn't have to be that neat, but just keep in mind you are going to have to sew this back up. Okay, now I'm going to cut the same thing on this side. Okay, so you guys can see the two cuts here. Now I'm gonna grab the elastic that I have. So I'm just going to take a safety pin and pin one of the ends just so it can help me guide the elastic through. Okay, so I pinned it on and now I'm going to slide it through the hole so you guys can see here. Okay, so I'm coming towards the end now, and you can see when the safety pin pokes through, just like this, and you just give it a little tug. So you have enough fabric through and through. So basically the point is for us to sew the elastic here and then figure out how much we want to tighten up the fabric of the back of the jean, and then finally sew both ends closed. So try to pull the elastic where it ends, where this is. Obviously leave a little bit of space so you're able to sew it. So now you want to take your safety pin and pin it in place. So when you try on your pants and pull on the elastic will not move. So now that we have it in place, you can see as much as I want to pull and tighten this, the elastic will still stay in the same place. So let's go ahead and try these jeans on. Okay, so I just put the jeans back on. I have a elastic tail. But yeah, I made sure to pin it like I showed you guys before, so when I tug on this, it doesn't come back out and undo all of our weaving work. So here it is. It's already a little bit tight, if you guys can see in the back. It's a little bit wrinkled because I was showing you guys how to pull it. So basically, you just keep pulling on the elastic until you get how tight it is in the back that you want it. So these jeans were pretty loose on me in the beginning, and it's finally starting to be tight and cinch me in the waist. As you guys can see, it's super cute from the front. Really no difference in the front except that it actually looks like it fits me up top. So this is what the back looks like. It is a little bit wrinkled, but I'm 100% okay with that. I'd prefer to have it this way and fit me in the front rather than our before. So now that I have exactly where I want the elastic, I'm just going to grab a marker and mark on the elastic where I need to cut it. Okay, I'm back with the marker. I'm just going to try to do this on camera, but oh, okay, that was an accident. I'm gonna try to do this on camera and just give it a little mark here so I know where to cut it. Make sure it dries, of course, so you don't get it on other things. And yep. Okay, here are the jeans. They are cinched. You can see when I pull it out, I have the marking that I made. I'm just going ahead and make a rough stitch so I can cut it and the elastic won't bust all the way back in and undo all of our progress. So I'm going to go ahead and weave the thread through the needle. Now I have my thread and needle, and I'm going to go ahead and pin this in place. Here is our finished jeans. It's super tight in the back, but it fits now, and I'm gonna finally show you the final reveal. Okay, so here's the jeans. They fit so good. I love it so much. Plus, because it's elastic, like when you eat and everything, you still have a lot of room. If anything, the same amount of room that you had before, but now it just really cinches me in and hugs me. And here's the back again, and you also can't even tell that I sewed it, like it's hidden behind the pant loop like I showed you guys before. On this side too, yeah, it's like hidden in the pant loop. So yeah, these are mom jeans, and they're meant to be a little more loose, like you guys can see. If anything, it's super long. I don't want to lose any of the flattering high-waistedness, so I feel like I definitely get the best of both worlds. So yeah, that's the final DIY. This is what it looks like. Super cute. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I'm so glad I came across this. It's super awesome. I feel like all the pants that I've done this on, I've worn so much more because they're so flattering on me, and also I am super comfortable where I can eat and I wear them when I'm bloated or anything like that, but it's still super flattering. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this one out. It's definitely a really amazing hack, and I'm so glad to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys found this video useful, and if you're new here and would like to see more from me, please subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
If I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down,